Ignoring her isn't making her to suffer. It teaches her to live without you. Men they think she is yet, but she is really adjusting. You can be used to be ignored by your boyfriend or your husband. Men they think when they are ignoring their women, they are punishing them. There is no need to punish a woman to ignore him. That's why you see other men, they came home at night, or he can spend 2 days or 3 days without coming home. You can say, I'm punishing her. What? There is no need to punish a woman to ignore him. Other women, they can be used. One day you say, I want to spend time with my wife. Your wife can ask you, what are you doing at home? Because we know that you don't stay at home. You want to go to another place, because you are used to stay alone. So sometimes to ignore your wife is not about you are punishing her. One day you say you want to spend time with her, she can tell you that, why are you not going to work or to going to the place with your friends? Because your wife, she is used to stay alone, and you can tell her that, I want to spend time with you. She can say no. So to ignore a woman is not about you are punishing her. You have to find a way to talk to her, because sometimes women, we can be used to stay alone, because women, we don't care. We can spend time alone, or maybe about some months or a year alone without a man.